lovelies, thank you for joining me. Today I have an unboxing video for you guys. This is a package I just received from Foxy. I just have this journaling card. I'm covering up the shipping label so you can't see my address. But this is my brand new Foxy custom notebook. This is specifically going to be my Christmas planner. So I'm going to get it all set up for all my Christmas things that I need to get organized and gift lists and things like that. So I'm definitely going to do a setup video and I'll show you exactly what I'm going to put in it as well and how I'm going to organize for Christmas. But for now, this is just the unboxing. So Foxy. I don't know why their boxes are plain at the moment. Usually they're all floral and really pretty. But I think either they must have been running out or this is a micro, it's the smallest size they make. So maybe it's just too small to warrant a really pretty box. Also, I used a coupon code on this. I had a $25 off for my rewards points, and the notebook itself was on sale. They had a sale of all their single couture notebooks, and so I think I paid about $7 total all up for the TN, and then I paid shipping on top of that, international shipping, so that was about $22 US. So I paid about $30 US total, which is pretty awesome. So a couple of Foxy cards in the top as usual. Then I have a sample of Lush Lapis, which is a really nice blue. I'm not a big fan of Lush leather for notebooks. It's just a little bit too soft for me. When I had my Lush TN, the edge bent really badly, as you can see. It's very, very foldable, so the elastic ruined the edge, or nearly ruined the edge, and I'd only had it a week, so I sold that pretty quickly. But I really, really love the actual leather. I'd love a tote out of that. I think it'd be beautiful. Anyway, that's a sample I don't have already, so I'm glad to get that. Alright, so let's have a look. What I am expecting is a single string sour apple. Sugar sour apple with some embossing, so hopefully it's all correct. I appear to have gotten some adhesive pockets, so that's nice. These are I do believe actually these were part of the sale, so you got a single couture at 30% off, I think they were, and then you got a free accessory, a clear vinyl accessory. So I was kind of hoping for a dashboard, but I appear to have gotten adhesive pockets, which is fine. I'm sure I can use them, sticking them on a dashboard. That's no problems. Okay, so let's have a look. Shall I zoom in a bit? It's going to be teeny tiny. It's a little baby TN. So here we go. Look at that. Oh, yes. Yes. Look at it. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. It's a perfect Christmas green. So I got sugar sour apple, a little bit dusty just from all that paper. So it's sugar leather sour apple color. It's this beautiful Christmassy green, and I got the hollow gold foil. I wonder if you'll be able to see the hollow. It's a little bit dark here this afternoon, so you might not be able to. See if I turn up the brightness of my light a little bit. You can sort of see the oh, there we go, hang on. The holographic element to it. There we go. So pretty. So I got Believe, because it's Christmas, obviously. And then I got the pine tree on the spine, again in the hollow gold. So I got red elastics, and these are the dark red elastics, not the just plain red. They're the darker red. I just thought it was a little bit more Christmassy, and I'm really glad I went for that over the bright red. It looks really nice. I'm really liking it. The back looks good, and then on the inside we have some pockets. I got secretarial pockets because it is a single, so it's not going to be bulky anyway, and I don't know, I'm kind of liking the pockets. I do like the pockets on the smaller planners. Little jump band. I don't think I'm going to use. I think I'm just going to put one insert in this. So I love it. I think it's great. I'm really, really pleased with this. That's the size of it. Look how cute it is. Perfect size to throw in your bag to take with you Christmas shopping. And it does have the pen loop on there. I'm so excited to, super excited to get this all set up for Christmas. It's just the cutest thing. The only thing is, I think it's going to be a challenge to find a pen that will fit in the pen loop that's not going to be enormous. So let's see. Okay, so out of all the pens in my pen cup at the moment, this is probably the shortest, and it actually matches it perfectly, doesn't it? So it is a little bit long, but I mean, I don't think that looks ridiculous. So I may just use this pen. I don't know. I love that. I'm so happy with this. It's so cute. So I'm going to have to go and set this up pretty much immediately. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching. You can see a bit of that hollow foil there now. A little bit better, hopefully. Thank you so much for joining my little Foxy Fix unboxing. If you have any questions, oh, forgot to mention the stitching color is sage. So I went for the sage because the TN is green, so it has that sort of green tone to it, but it's very, very subtle, and it's still a bit lighter than the actual leather, so it's got that contrast there. I'm really, really pleased with this. I'm so happy with it. As I was saying, thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed my little unboxing. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.